Welcome to my world. Utility rack needs attention, and we're going to get cleaned up. We're going to take everything off of it. Then we're going to sweep underneath it where it was in the kitchen, the little breezeway that connects from the dining room to the kitchen area. If you watch my cleaning videos, we have a few short breezeways that connect the rooms to each other. It is a 3-bedroom flat. We're going to take everything off of this rack, and we're going to get it organized. Get rid of clutter in your home? I do. I've been going through my home the past week, seeing what needs the most attention. Today we're going to be working on my utility cart. With the next month, we're going to be doing decluttering projects once again in my home to win the war and the battle against clutter. Once you do the clutter, it's not going to stay that way. If you believe that, that is a big lie, my friends. You need to stay on top of the clutter, and you need to declutter on a regular basis. Spend a few times a week, 15 minutes here and there, and declutter an area, and then zone it out like we did. It's not overwhelming if you follow these steps, and you will win the war against clutter. Just make sure you stay on top of it. If it's overwhelming to you, create zones. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 zones here. I'm going to take everything off per zone. Then we're going to put everything back, organized by size and category. Hey everyone, let's get everything off the utility cart, place it onto the table, take it off shelf by shelf, zone 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then once everything is on the table, we're going to go through all the canned goods and categorize them by kind and size. Everything is off. Sweep. It's been a while since we've swept under here. Cart is empty, as you can see here. I can pick it up. This was picked up at Walmart in store. It is by Mainstay. I'm going to put it back up against the wall. And I have some smaller bins, so I'm going to see if they'll fit on it and house some of the canned goods so they're somewhat invisible when you walk through. Poetry throughout my entire home, whether it be decor, food, or organizing bins and their cleaning products. We're a huge fan of the store. Even with the price raise of a quarter, their new larger sizes and full-size quantities of their products are a win-win with my family. I'm going to see if these will fit on the utility cart like I think they will. And we can house certain things in them and hide some of that advertising. The utility cart is back up against the wall. And they're going to fit, so that's nice. I'm going to put them down here because my jugs are going to be up there because my husband and I have trouble bending down, and things like the chocolate milk powder and ketchup need to be easily grabbed. And you're going to want to lay them this way. It makes more sense. And then you have extra room here on the side. We're going to start putting everything back. Now that everything's on the table from the cart, we're going to go through these cans and put them by category and size. The jugs are off to the side. All the canned goods are now sorted through and categorized. We have a fruit here, vegetables, white sauce, red sauce, which is Alfredo sauce. Then we have a cream soup, chicken and dumplings, canned chicken, and refried beans. Then the bottles are off to the left, and the other stuff that was just thrown on the shelf in the little red bin with the loose items and the loose cereals are on the back of the table. Those will not be going back onto. Now we're going to put everything back. I started with the bigger jugs at the top and I lay them down on their side. so they stay in place and not fall over. And I'm able to put 2 larger cans up at the top, and they're not going to stay there though. And anytime you declutter and put things away, always try other ways. Fruits and vegetables on one shelf, and then meats on one and sauces on the other. That is how I categorize the shelves as well as the cans. Then I did them by size. See after. Instead of everything just piled on, everything is organized. Fruits and vegetables. Red sauce, white sauce, tomato soup, cream soup. If I get any more, I'll go right behind it like a can rack. Got canned meats and refried beans. And the jugs and bottles up at the top.